Michael Jordan was born in a slum in Brooklyn, New York. He had 4 sisters and his father's income was not enough to support the entire family. His neighbors were also very poor. In that environment, Michael Jordan's future seemed bleak. His father saw Michael lost in self-reflection and decided to do something for him. At the age of 13, Jordan's father gave him an old piece of clothing and asked him, "How much is this clothing worth?" Jordan replied, "It's $1. The father said, "Can you sell this to someone for $2? If you sell this for $2, it will be a great help to your family." Jordan scratched his head and said, "I'll try. But I can't guarantee success." Jordan washed the clothes and dried them in the sun. He didn't have an iron, so he put them under the bed. The next day, he took the cloth to a crowded place to sell. After waiting for 5 to 6 hours, a shopkeeper bought the cloth from Jordan for $2. Jordan ran home happily. After 10 to 12 days, his father said, "Can the cloth you sold for $2 be worth $10? Jordan said, "How is that possible? I got a nosebleed when I got $2. The father said, "Try it." After thinking for a long time, Jordan came up with an idea. With the help of his cousin, he painted pictures of Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse on old washed cloth, and stood outside the school where rich children study during the school break to sell clothes. A boy liked the cloth with those pictures very much. He insisted on his mother and bought the cloth from Jordan for $10. Moreover, the mother praised Jordan and gave him another $10 tip. $20 was a large amount, almost the same as his father's monthly salary. When Jordan gave his father $20 and told the story of how he got it, his father was delighted and gave Jordan another piece of used cloth and said, "Can you sell this cloth for $200? This time, Jordan accepted his father's challenge with confidence without any hesitation. After 2 to 3 months, the heroine of the famous film, Charlie's Angels, Farrah Fawcett came to New York to promote her film. After the press conference, Jordan reached out to her through the security guards and requested her to sign the cloth. Seeing his innocent face, she immediately signed the cloth. Now Jordan started shouting loudly, "Take the cloth signed by Miss Farrah Fawcett, take the cloth signed by Miss Farrah Fawcett." In a short time, he sold the cloth for $300. When he came home and told his father the whole truth and handed him $300, tears welled up in his father's eyes. He said, "I'm proud of you. You did it." When Jordan slept next to his father that night, his father asked Jordan, "Son, what did you learn from the experience of selling 3 old clothes?" Jordan said, "Where there is a strong will, there is a way." His father hugged him tightly and said, "What you are saying is not wrong, but my intention was different. I wanted to show you that we can increase the value of an old cloth that is not even worth $1. But what about people who talk, walk, and think? Whether we are black or gray or poor, our value can also increase." Jordan was very impressed by this sentence from his father. If I can give dignity to used old clothes, why not myself? There is no point in underestimating yourself. Then Jordan began to feel that his future would be very beautiful and bright. A few years later, Michael Jordan became an excellent basketball player.